Wonderful people, you welcome to your show, Odo Ahomaso, on Adom TV. Jama, salam alaikum. Atabir, salam Allah wakubar, and Nadia Hajia. Make it kanina afra. Now go de kajiko. Yeah, enjoy your celebrations, but just be careful and take it easy, and everything will be all right. Once again, let me welcome my able resource persons, Dr. Reverend Kondua, and then the business tycoon, Mr. Enim. Echre. Boko. All right. In fact, the 18 ipenyano, a dosso. Na a empaibo. Say, then you may say, Baby, activate phone line. See, I'm on my catch say, yen. The ayom winnie jee. The abo or more, the amamo swabidum pempensie. A kind of ho. Now I feel the ono so. What boto? What kwa? A bibi kuno. Bibi aboni yare. It was so to me pemuka. Do you know when it's said it's partially solved?
Partially.
Yes. And you know, the edi wunya the jojo war, the akwa recordan and our discussion say if you have anything to add, this is the time for you to pick up your mobile phone and then start calling us now on 0302 211 701 0302 211 702 0302 211 703 and then 0302 211 704. Reverend Kondia, and Mr. Name, whilst we're waiting for the calls, this issue bother me. Why is it that as humans, beings, we don't learn from our troubles, our mistakes, and then we keep on repeating the same things, and then keep on crying the same cry? Oh, Brian, come on, say, let's say. Medase. Yo, Brian, it's you. Missing Pacho, it's you, Kasa. Yo. Me Pacho meant you who TV so. Sabeko, my volume, and my phone, Africa. Mamma, Aquaba, about Odo Ahomaso. Medase. Yo, Brian, it's you. Betty Keke day. Ah, now go day. Now go day. Yo, yet you, Kasa.
My wife, anytime I'm busy in the channel. Or she just a million answer.
Okay.
Okay.
Now, why are that? More married for how many years?
Maybe about 6 months in it.
Oh, just 6 months in it. Ebi a wate hu nkomo say sometimes say wonya kunu no ni me ya eboa pa enya bone bia me nka ne say ebone oye wo yire a what ya say ti say ade a ono pe a na ne ho beto no a wo betimi asa wo pese obaye obetimi aye na say wo pese obaye nso esi so for so enti we ejina wona wo yire ne so ho won say
mama you yale wo mana.
Oh mame ene before wo beka say oyire ubeta free na say and on obefefe ho no the best thing is say mumie mbeko hospital na makohwe mu widie mu say tesen a na se mukohwe mu na emu da ho na emu ye kamade a oba na se no ne vagina ne mu no emu te papa a ebisa infection ni wa emu te kire wenum a watwim num premiensa me ba to watema say enti no monko hospital na monko nkohwe na monye oya wo yire nko ade a na ubetimi aye no no so opede a 6 months they say o kenkan niema but say won pe de enso ma ni hu say won pe so ati ase aha but eno so ma wo yire ne bumfu wo yire wan
onu akra
e na wo kuma say munya ntem ya mon kantena mbom na so oba na ntimi ni hu so sa ya na de nsem na eba so ho ba me gidi say wo ba ye be mapa na wo yire nsu aye oyire pa e won kra ha yo. Oh, okay. Are you a Muslim? Oh, to yayi. And I will be with salad down for your remember. Duba belly, oh, can't go? I know any shine. Who could this sound like? No, you don't quite at least only the feel of it. Won't say.
Okay.
No, you're Muslim. Oh,
you're Muslim.
Oh, you're day.
Oh, you're Christian.
Wow, you are blessed. Don't want to person almost roady, but Nice. But at least, man, may witness it. It is good. Why? I'm hoping, sir. Ami, now go there. And I just was saying, okay, okay. Me dressing, oh right, me that's it.
You look very beautiful in that.
Whoa, thank you so much. Me that's it. Hello, Mr. John, Uncle John, Brother John. Hello.
Hello.
Me ma call about the Odo Ahomaso, John.
Midasi.
Miss Midase. Now John, who prefer?
You prefer who?
Ho, but I could for nama. Ayo, akpe. John, yet you.
I have a little problem. I'm married almost 3 years now. But the problem I'm facing is, after our marriage, my wife told me that she will have sex once a month.
You say you've been married for how many years?
3 years now.
3 years now.
Yes.
And your wife is not interested in making love?
Yes.
Why?
First, the issue was, I was the first man we had, and we met just after our marriage. For that one, I can testify.
The line is not.
Take it easy. We can't hear you properly. So take your time and then speak.
Okay.
So,
She was able to maintain herself for about 27 years.
Oh, well, you married her as a virgin.
Yeah, at 27 years.
20. That's wonderful. That's wonderful. All right.
And she told me that as time goes on, she will adjust. But for the up to now.
Stella. You.
Okay.
I mean, during your marriage counseling, were you educated on sex, love making? Yes. Both of you. Were you educated?
Yes, please.
Now, after marriage, that you are facing this problem, have you gotten counseling on this?
I do talk to her. Anytime I said we should go to the counselor, she said no.
Where is she? Where is she now?
She's asleep.
Oh, so why then?
She's asleep.
Oh, she's asleep. I wish she wouldn't asleep because you see, there are a lot of ideas, and then please wake her up for me. Wake her up for me. It's so important that she listens to it. Say she doesn't want to go anywhere, but it's also important. I don't know how you broke her virginity. Normally, if you're a man, a husband, and you don't break her virginity properly, you need to get time for her, work on her body, let her really enjoy. I mean, if it's massage, you're giving it caressing, let her really enjoy it. If it's a breast you're sucking, whatever you're doing, let her really enjoy it to the core. So she say, hey, sweetheart, just penetrate for me. I need you to come and do that. You see, so if you didn't take time to do all those things, she would never ever enjoy the love making. For that one, she know. So right now, you know, but we're counseling. We are here. This is why we are here. Please wake her up, and then you call into the show again, and then you both listen to the show.
The best thing I can, when she's sleeping, we don't wake her up. That's the issue with her. That's the positive.
Oh, okay.
Issue.
Then
So,
listen. Yes.
The best thing is I will get your number and after the show.
After the show, I'll also be tired. We can't be talking.
Not
if
this
you can
night.
record.
Okay.
During the day. During the day.
Okay.
Yes.
So ask her to call me. The number is the WhatsApp line, which is 0244 261200. 0244 261200. So she can WhatsApp me, or you can WhatsApp me with your name and say you are calling from home. Then we can continue from there. But please do not sleep. You need to listen. All right,
Okay.
so that we'll give you more information, okay? All right, thank you so much. This is a big issue. Hello, Christy.
Yeah, hello.
Hi, sweetheart. How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm terrific, may I say. And where are you calling from, Christy?
I'm calling from Asante Achimagogo.
Hey, Asante Achimagogo, pa. May I say? I think 3 or 2.5 months ago, I was there.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, I came to Presby School.
Yeah.
School Presby. I came to inaugurate my widows. Yeah, the school widows, right?
Oh, okay.
Yes. Okay. With Dr. Asedu.
Oh, okay.
All right. So
that's nice.
We are listening to you.
Okay, I want to contribute to what you're saying.
She wants to contribute.
Okay, you want to contribute? Go ahead. But lower your TV set. Because I can hear myself, I can hear that echoing. It's not really helping my ear. Right? Oh, so sorry. I think we had discussion kakra on the two issues about a very vital part and kakra.
Yeah. The free voter region.
Voter region, no, yeah.
On to me, near no ekase wabre it is once in a month. As on any crew, bet me in Adano. Like we are saying, no, maybe I think a beman if you are saying now, because woman in the first time or have sex. Now, beman in the first person or introduce you into sex.
Yeah.
If one beman called you why bida, but a banny dear or no in ye bida.
Why are they more?
It depends, yeah, 2017. It depends upon how or bemano, obey a mano. Because for 27 years, no. At least 18 years up to that 27 years now within there.
Yeah.
What in some?
Papa.
It on himself or bemuno. He was expecting something. So ba next week hope so I did cry no any. E wana ko you need to use the body.
Yeah.
Which I say you need to massage. She say
work on the body.
That is it. Oh, finish 2 years be permanent for nipa unya etade you are even lucky. So when you 27 years or you're virgin, when the first person I watch here agro no 27 years we born 27 years in 7 years.
It's a counselors more you may because the moment nipa beka say this eduan we me need be that. Enti wan ye ni ye ama na ehu ni da. On di ni bi on so da.
Ni di ni obedi kra na e be ni say asade kra.
Anya de.
I say anything. Ntimi ni abema you have a work to do.
A lot of work
that you have to do ni say maybe if you don't bath with your wife, that almost I keep on saying this. If you don't bath with your wife, start something from there. By the time you get to the bedroom, things will rock over and you start enjoying it. Make sure that you're sorry I'm sitting. Now,
okay.
Yeah,
the most important is you working on the body.
Working on the body.
And before Reverend Kondi and Sobeka Sano, Miniaba, say or bass or chrewa, be a wajim munisian. Because if you are crying on funny who is shame so soon, when I be bro, me pacho, mummy and then you will need to improve our sex life. Bon, I mean, women, Reverend Condie, there's so many ways of killing a cat. Until if you don't know anything, just be looking at my even sex positions, educational way, you change it. Bon, satisfaction in marriage, on love making, it's very, very important. And it's a prime responsibility, whether you like it or not. Once a month, be careful. Reverend Kondia. Yes.
Me momo dear. Me hunu we say a problem.
Once a month, no.
Not as in the quotient, the once a month, no. But as in say we a problem, a unsolvable. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Enye problem. Ne solving a kumebi. And say.
Yeah.
The issue of the woman being a virgin. What can I say?
A problem or an problem? Be problem. But solvable, right?
Me. That is why I said me.
For you, okay.
I don't see it to be a problem.
Okay.
It is a lifestyle issue. It is an issue of how they should live.
Okay.
Okay. Like my brother was talking about how he should react to the woman. You know, or baby, whether no you're virgin and I know you're virgin, whether or you're interested in sex and you're interested in self, or baby, no a pelaring. Okay, or let me use the or pelior or yes, yes, and if you are a man that you are not good with this, you would almost always have problem with woman being comfortable around you sexually. Ebiso wo hɔ a, you would have problem with women always faking sex or orgasm with you.
Yeah.
They would just do it just for the fun. Say what's over here, you know. Enti me no wudi kan ka sem bi say ebi akwan of so a breaking virginity no. Many people don't know this. Enti me uba counseling na some way virgin. I take time and I take you through the process of doing that. So one ye na nipa no feel excessive pain immediately not traumatizing no.
Media obama wa to aso, but me me nya ya wo ho. Anka every father wo ba. I mean, all kwa wade no. As a father, what's your show man is something. I mean, but people feel so sinful to be educating about love making.
You could know. Just say SMP, but then also counseling and they were giving sex education. Now make us meaning how it went. And we don't know how it went.
Yeah.
A be an traumatized. A be so it was before this marriage.
Yeah.
A be an yes, one have a sex in that, but a be an unya, what we call it, sexual harassment be from one or two people into a putty fear
into
her. And I'm saying to be overcome that fear, own your proper psychological help, and overcome that trauma.
Okay.
Apart from that, medically, whether or you're virgin and I know you're virgin, there are women who have low sex drive.
Oh, sure.
Or baby or have just because a person worrying in it, and the child baby mama, just to trap you. Who worry in real? The thing is not there. She was just trying to win you. And it almost sounds so. And it could also be say obana wawarano or low sex drive. And to bear me mum necessary TSC say. That is if that is the case. SOTS me this is what we have. And also no ya kwanya counselors ya kwanya the first one yetimi bua gynecologically yetimi bua ema nipa no etimi boosting the sex drive kakra.
It's a global family enu na yo. E boosting no kama.
You see on other side no so no me pese obe taking on the wife say bia or man satisfaction. But ohunu ne say the wife is coming from an angle bia a bia problem kakrebi e one side. Enti onyanti ase ma no na minim oba no so no the level of education or exposure to modern stuff.
But you know sometimes e bia na conversation now him say e die and come aye bono e different from when you're in the act.
Of course.
So, and say bia on enough for bia say abo say chale ade no jan or transu kakra and all the show no funtemu a and ye ni say ya ne de. Enti ono when him say e de share ho na e de na start.
Yes.
So,
yes. Enti na make say you see this person is coming from a different angle altogether. And I mean the level of education or exposure to modern world. Enti na me use sad no. And fa we being in 21st century, there are people who are still living in the 14th century.
Oh yes.
And issues about sex, one per se be a no crano, one taking keen interest in sex education. And if that is the situation he's in, then proper sex education could also help the woman to understand what exactly is going on there. And most importantly, the advice I'm a man is on try way so share. Said my brother Ikaye, on try way so share say, on rather from morning going, on involved in more romance.
Yeah.
Okay. On my sex life no any more romantic.
Okay.
You see, on try say ebia no we taking on I don't know his financial status, but then ebia one day be no we taking ebia as a hotel bia Okay, no, the no
environment,
then you see what pampano let's chop this. Bibi kakrasa on said that day no. What would be her response? Say Uber said that day no or responded even though a new month after your previous one. Not that day no or responded very positively. It means that if you add more romance or more affection to your marriage, Obano, the interest in sex will rise up.
Okay.
I can see it say,
we are still learning. He's heavy. And then he's not taking time. Maybe he's heavy.
But on per se, so I remember we've discussed this case before. This issue before. On per se, no, or you also feel say any denting or yes, and so all of us sudden no the obayan send yes idea mean to me corn no me person but it be so cry no condo but on person benya that pain no or you uncomfortable with the pain.
Yeah.
So many things could be going on. Said okay, you know, let him get in touch with you and let's see how best sexual libido na ne wo foma after all this, you know, not still an we no wo foma. One gynecologist, and now to me get in touch with me, I can see a way of helping her to boost her sex libido.
That's wonderful.
Good.
And the second one, also, and you see, is very serious. You said you've just been married. Is it the first one?
That was the first one. The woman likes licking. Said the way you know where you.
I mean, I don't want to say.
But the issue is that
6 months, not starting.
6 months. Yeah, but
you know,
guy and say, yeah, but oba ne pe bema no ebu okwa na yare ni ho like we said but oba ne pe ba bema ne mpe because
now why do you wait 6 months and somebody start demanding these whole things ebia na wona dream that
our na 6 months ni
our 6 months
but ebia from the beginning akoswa it's now that he's voicing out
okay
but kuma before be ware oba no
yeah
ebu a ukoka ebi wo ha in quotes ebu ha it happened. The request of friends who were love making think anything. But that time I can't steady nipano. It's in campaign of which you can say Kojaki, the Apacard me credit. Agrono, meaning Johnsa. So, yes, it's a more with meaning Johnsa. No, who stand. But Ebua Wajatum, Ebua can again, the first lover. Or didn't go through, he was very good, he does it very well for her. It's one of the fun of police and men in Iape. But I never made announcing any minima yet.
That's it.
It's a mess saying a bear man say halfway on fair, not the way he presented, because what presenting one presenting is to pay a cocoa item the day.
Yeah.
It's halfway no on fair how in the day. Think I've been ya in Cayenne BBC, yen try BB, yen share. Na me fa me san so ano ne kakra na me mmommo bibi na me hwe se na besi aye wo de na nka yen jai temediman yen no ne hwe se na besi na efe another time no so they also support her another time so no wa ye kakra awo ye kakra na so hwe na se fa wa no ho a straight no fa ko hwe na no
now he say hot to say I say I know your solution, no, but I mean, if you see anything wrong with your wife's vagina, no, please be bold and let her know. Just be bold and let her know. And you see, before Reverend Kondia, you get in with more advice, you know. These are the issues that in a relationship, no, we can be discussing it.
Of course.
You see, we need to discuss our sex life in marriage. So if you are the type, you are not a virgin, you've done it before, maybe your ex-boyfriend was doing the licking for you and you're enjoying it, let him know, say, sweetie, I've done it before and I love licking. So I say, hey, I don't like it. And you know, and you say what can intina Ubeka say, boy, say I say you Debbie. Yeah, you should be grateful, say Obanaka say, me penny say.
That is honesty.
Honesty. She's telling you. Oh, so you're novice in love making. She's done it before with 1 or 2 guys. And this is the way she likes it. It's out you said Pepano and our brand said also wait me as yeah. They been also to me promise, so don't worry, I'll do it for you. May say so promise no ni so. Na ko yasem. Reverend, upe can be na yen fa calls in bio.
Ohima ebi so from upbringing any society you grow in.
They tell it's a taboo.
Or yes, it's a taboo for them.
To put your leg somewhere.
Yes, adebi a chesa no so no wo hye nipa na e hye ne kra so. Wo force nipa na by force a onya e hye ne kra so. Anka yade say omo discuss na omu hunu hawa ebiodo. I don't know whether they went for marriage counseling.
But that the shit they are the Muslim and then the Christian.
Muslim.
Now for them
Christian.
sometimes they tell it's a haram for them. They can't do this.
Yes.
You know, so
that is the Muslim.
That a Muslim.
Okay.
And a Christian.
Right.
So if the woman is demanding this, the guy, your husband can tell you, hey, for me, it's a haram for me. I cannot do this.
Okay.
So before you get into marriage, you know, put all these things into consideration.
Yes.
You just jump into the marriage.
Enya Muslim who put na haram. You know, even Christian, there are a whole lot of things that are coded. Well, but then the society have become dynamic in such a way. Say even with Muslims, no, there are so many, especially the young ones that are coming up that are into these things.
Yeah.
Well, but then say nipa no the American say nipa no already no or upbringing be a ohunu inside no eye dia enyamenti on par. We can do something about it. Said now, my brother, that was what I was just about to comment. Say, obey you so or good obey to me good finger tactics. Okay, good finger tactics. The takramal to me, you know, and sabbe to me aye. So why would me yana properly why unless of course say obano asai kana ho setakrama ankomua
and I come back catch we said there was I think a month and a half ago this issue came.
Yes.
Obano so person you could have free man and also me sir me dear me can say wo ho bon and I say but enya ade obetimi it is sad the ordinance e be finger no or so he's good at fingering and it took me to intervene.
Yeah, you see.
So what I say?
A bit more where they have psyched themselves, and until youths near the idea you should learn this. Say, and ya dear be an impact can be biana ye. And ya dear basu biana ye. You see, mostly that is what push youths into these things. But you who say, I did be or hard the old besha wa dream no, and no ye dream amount. But so to me so ye free what dream at the forefront so betimi aye adwuma ma wo. We hu de ade ente. Obi can say ojan san no mo bewu. What you say?
Yeah.
Onya proper counseling. Emo hunu say no, and san no rather no ne eku no. No to me eyi nsan free na no no. Say why you much stronger, much healthier than before. But na sa adwene hye ne mu na nsan no sa adwene no eku no. What I'm trying to say is Sale Kenny at the Adina, yes. When you have been any panope, and as any penny fine, a bonus. But any pan pa. Okay, sexual satisfaction is not necessarily about that licking, and as a main fan say, and Jehubia. Then you know, I could kabu boom. Say, I'm Bemuya, said I'm kind of Bem, Ubetimia Bemabia. Ne finger cake, on fun the penis a cram penetrate you. Who bet orgasm by 3 times. And so penis a crab.
Now, Reverend Gondia, said your bare man or then a bare hands. Ever so body more.
Ever so breast, massaging ye.
Oh my goodness. Won't be a greater baby. Just take it easy. I'm just dying slowly. Take it easy.
But so one casa or ban, you might think a say your bare man no. But then woman or ban on a woo cool. In the sense, so why we could do what dreams say wink one a yadia. At the end of the day, Bisukra, there are better sensations be at parts of your body because we could do a dream to one side now who prevent from enjoying those joys over there. You see, breasty, there are so many sensations. I mean, and maybe Mususa will Yemanka won't kukura won't some kake.
No, Obano for a sea wo Eba in Temhaka Cransu ho. And sana around it.
Around.
Now, if you held the breast, you just
base nipple. No. I mean, just say it's no maybe kissing ya, kissing ya. Bema utumi mumie no nyina mutumi sua proper case na wo betimi akesi am mumie no nyina mo ho esanemo. You see there are proper there may advice me pa man say ma obian kodi wa na dwen say one side wo yin kwan e be ma many aji. A young queen and a chess may have sex. A young queen and a chess with son.
Reverend and I make us a home. Nina depend upon how you present it. There was a friend, I'll catch him say, you can say, no bon, because I need die, tinker. The way it is true, say, the funny sense, like she said, oh, but the funny sense was there already.
Yeah.
But the way my husband presented it, no, it was so hurting.
Wednesday, no be cancer.
No, it was so hurting. It say, ladies, you're pelicano. And make say, it depends upon how you present the issue. The thing about you present the issue, no. A bit more by who say, you are not offended, but you have other alternatives. It can even be a movie on a nation. It can even be, oh, sadly, not me. That is my new way to cry now. We are. And it's a very fine. And it's like the girl say, the inhabitants and the character be our adapt here. It cannot stop within just a day, but it will take some time. And so if you see there's other alternative where you can hold, you can touch, whatever it is.
Yeah.
Listen, Hobe Sanena. He would because Obi also will be all doing Zaka, the Hoba.
Yeah.
A book no, if you need so, compare me, Nasi, baby, you are also. No, Ebe Saneno. The only thing say, to say,
you see, guys, Monsieur, in change. So, I clits and honor in change channel. Now we'll grow clits and up and pemu. Now we'll grow.
Simple strategy being so bit me use.
Yeah.
In a way not to hurt the wife. So, minimum the level of technological know-how there, but to bit me Google the dangers of licking. Okay. Now on find some of these things on print it and I say on copy. Now one evening, now my friend you said, look, me yedi rebia me hunu.
The dangers of licking.
Now on a year and
there
be a young to
the dangers not correct. What are we looking at the dangers?
May some say. We are talking of how you present it.
It's financial advantage and disadvantage.
Yes.
So they can weigh
advantages and disadvantages.
Great.
I'm talking about drawing the person's attention to what your fear, where your fear is.
Okay.
All right. Where your fear is. Enti we understand and Nipano won't say you are not saying say come and see the dangers of licking. Okay. But I'm looking at something, but come and see. Could this be true? Or how is this?
Okay.
Let's say informally, you are drawing her attention as to not directly pointing her say, "We could danger sir." What deal we those are presentation. It is a way he can do that to draw the wife's attention to this. When you be crana, he can just get in touch.
But also it is good to get the advantages and the disadvantages. So I'm on Kasa because you don't want to do it, you know. As in some cases, it's media but Odo Ahomaso, we give you the empowerment, the encouragement, the information, education, everything for you. All right, now me start to your picky calls.
In Pema grow it said you need you.
Yeah, yeah, man,
I near po. Omo ye de atre na edi. Fufu ye de ensa na edi. Benku ye de ensa na edi.
Me da se.
Koko ye de atre anase ye de cap na ye de saya no. Ni nyina ye aduane ni dia.
Na nim so bo de say di mu an ofeli. Opeso timo no mu an say. No mu an say.
No mu an kra na. Udi fufu a o mu an say. Wo kwan o twa fufu no. Na de asewanu.
Na o aduane die.
Yeah, they ko de make kan say. E say aduane die. Aduane ni kwan a.
Ye me da say. But me ready. Hello. Echa me ma ko about Odo Ahomaso. Me da say. Nyame adom ye ho ye. Na mpacho free fa.
Mpacho me free Kumasi ko from.
Hey, go from for then day. Me da ma say. Yo, mpacho eti e wacha.
Ma worry 9 years.
Congratulations. Congratulations.
Ma subaya be ma no ma so was sayo.
Fi time I worry no. Ana na sen na oye.
Ma fita ma me pare no.
That means who say ni suma nye o. E na opre mane kwa ya ho ade e cha.
Ma, na satambu ma na me sha.
Oh, okay.
Na me wo 20 years ma me papa ewu na me de ko ware ye.
Okay.
Okay. Ma je say me meja sata obi entu me fo say me kwa ware me hwe save ma up to now ma fiu. Me fe no ko onfa.
Ejuma ben na oye.
Oye ejuma mazin.
Okay, but problems ben na who say ode ma wo.
The problem is say one, ontia nkra ni fi. Ontia dan ka.
Wow.
Mani die mo kra so nye de. Say onsen bebre e ko homa kra so no oma wona ade atia no ate so nyuma mu ye enha me bebre but problem am nya ne say abusuafo na won the side no also rage na te so mu nim say kese na me ye no na mo ma ne sisika. As no me na ma ko me school kakra tell na me support them me ba enda kwa make us say you and kwa be school Tuesday and you be ba paying school fees 10 million. Imagine books in na me catch them as 5,000 pounds or so la la yeska and I'm out here
ejuma ben
up to now crowd my
and also ejuma o ifa
oyo ejuma wo
magazine
ono oba no kra na na
oba no but this is serious so we still have some irresponsible now wait when your bema no you say irresponsible say ya when you beje
12 o'clock
I mean I don't know eya na edin eya na me wanwa so ho e no ti ade ba kun so kan ye say she's or ipa ka say kakra e na abusuya bema na chi nso feel say ono na say bema na ni sika na oyusu won so sa de ya papa po Abdallah, salam alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah.
Ami, na gode. Tamale fo what to say?
The nyame ase.
Yo. Me ba say you.
I just want to talk on the issue, the first issue you people talk of.
Okay, go ahead, my dear.
About the distance and the celebration of the Eid.
Oh, okay, nice. Thank you.
Some of our brothers, what they are doing is not an Islamic.
Okay.
The thing is that we are celebrating Eid.
Yeah.
And God has shown us how we are going to do it.
Okay.
If the 10 days that the edition we are celebrating, you can choose choose some and be doing fasting.
Oh, I see.
And you have stopped doing what God has asked us to be doing, and you are just misbehaving. Some people will choose. Some people will decide that because it is a celebration, they'll go and be drinking. What our religion has told us that we should stop drinking.
Okay.
Means what they are doing is not Islamic. They are just doing anything, and they are because it is celebration. So I am appealing these people. Those doing it, I'm not sure they have time to be listening to this kind of programs.
Okay, it's our prayer that at least.
If they are listening to it, they should fear God and stop what they are doing.
Okay.
It is not good at all. Why will you go and drink just because of celebration and go and kill your fellow human beings? Sometimes they write carelessly and go and kick people down.
Yeah.
That is all. It's not good.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
We are so grateful, Alaji. Thank you so much. Mema kwa de ba Odo Ahomaso, sweetheart.
Good evening, Akuma.
Medasi, good evening. Udin baby are free.
Any Docas Mikasafi Dansoman.
Docas Dansoman. It's been a while. What to say?
Yes, Akuma, my first
Lani the other why you, sweetheart.
We are missing home, but anyway, me that semi sarcamo. Mirror 18, you know. My cosi kakra na me mpese me de complain bi tuja.
Okay.
Se mo kasa obeti.
Yo kasa.
Mene ni wo ho a. Na se ebia ye have sex a. Ne hunya ba ya ekuma ompese me de me nsa be ka ne biom. Then when you banner so anymore, or see me so anymore, na ethical no. And you know, on so me. Ekuma abibia me ne beda bia no. Ye wia agimia me sand me sa hye me ho.
One you satisfied. Ontimi satisfy or properly.
Ono ne hunya bape eno anu no.
Okay.
Me try say bia me san ye bibia ma ne ho asan sorry bi mu a. Me de me saka ne pe osi o mi njai. Me so ni mu na etike no.
It take how long?
Ekuma abibia no. E wo se me ne da wi a me san de me sa hye me ho ansana. Intino otie. Intimi sremo.
Okay.
Mo kan bibi na say obetia.
It take how long answer no?
Yeah. Maybe I won't say what more saying no. It was some mutiminya a very long foreplay.
Maybe on pay romance cry.
That is where the problem.
Okay, and the only problem now. And only issue
no better.
Okay. I was so timid team no swia. Well, Otimi also Odini team no swia. Because the things you do before the penetration, it's so it matters a lot. And it's so important. You won't say I was so to me lock your mind, Say I'm going to work on my wife 20 minutes before I penetrate. But if you're not that type, and you touching him no maybe I think you have to study your husband well. Maybe on to me now better form. Now only peace of mind. But we need to be we need to compromise. We need to communicate certain things with each other. So my nipa back on. And it's idea won't pe kra no a. E was so utimi ye bribi. Udi e da ho kra na ne onfa neti. On pesa ode ne nsa na mo kra no a. Ontimi fa ne nse bi ento so. Na sa wo ye jan say na aya na ha adwene.
Yeah, it take how long?
Because ontimi now oh goodness. I know you are listening. I wanted to ask you say it is on no wie a obane ye satisfied no. Now on person so no later then oyema no.
So obane third no
and your obane was so ye. Yeah. What you say? Meaning maybe mom ho ban tem fine. But obey we no so the mama nyuma kakra or make sure so satisfied in another way.
But me can say kuma amidi me anka sa tem ya.
I'm na we mema mon kana minti.
Dey ne pa say.
Meaning so ban tem o se reverence na.
Enye penetration nko a in a call for.
Okay, Mama for Charles. Okay. Brother Charles, me ma akwa about the Odo Ahomaso my dear. Me da say.
Okay, because me kasa free akra.
Yo, akra. Yo, me da say etie.
Okay. Because me problem bi kasa na pese.
Manemra etie, manemra.
Oh, okay. Me passion na me to Germany.
Okay.
And say that 2008 me ba Ghana. And me kono. Na Michelle lady be flight
okay, but me ato ma woni so kakra.
2008. Na me to Germany na me to 2008 me ba Ghana. And me kono na Michelle lady be flight
Oh, I see.
Now so go holidays so home say. In fact you could do this was more. Ni pa na oba be share no wamba. Nti me no ko fie.
Do lie so.
Hey, could do me friend ni pa no. E no be fa no. Nti sata me na ma benya contract bi wo Ghana wo company bi.
Okay.
Nti ni pa no be fa no ko ene. Obedu Ghana be 2 months no na ko frame ne ye bon komo. Now so me ban next month. That's 3 months ago after 3 months no.
Okay.
In bedu Ghana no. Na e be share e be ya down for na like the normal happen.
Udi no.
Sata you pass on.
Na ne
be 2 months.
Ah.
2 months no ka so won. Maybe I know here chuma no so yen worry na then it be good and so no problem. But nani ma me say ka yen wedding na so minimum no nche nti wo de yen engagement and am ye engagement no.
Fi awade no.
You pass on. So bibi akama. Nti sata na me ye me da na me wie me baga na me timi baba fi. Nti you worry and after you worry na call honeymoon no 3 days and you buy. Ti you call you buy na you call no rent apartment bi odan so na you call e better me buy fi ho.
Okay.
Nti company na me no more contract no manager na me no meeting that na Monday nti Sunday na woman na friend na John say meeting 10 o'clock no me pa chon ka enye 12. Nti na mada and girl na pick me phone.
No,
who say oba no say First Charles or more on more than I said, no, I mean, also the free company, the same company. No, they are company for guessing now on the mother, not so. Only time would dig and I would do woman at him.
Oh.
Monday morning, and a woman, the friends are. Charles, now, when you will know why I'm not coming come brown engagement. So, mother now, Cataka. And all customs, and then say, oh, another now will be a friend now, yesterday because I need some bag. And then the bow more better if you want because I have you to make a no, I'm still tired this run and I'm calling by that.
Okay.
In next 3 days, and I never may buy on an anchor by some the fan and no marco. Some the fire no man coy. And me company should win my money, me no more, me say, man 50% of the contract now. Next 30 days, I'll send me deliver no man.
Yeah.
So it's the outside coy. And I'm a coffee, no one I'm a buyer.
Yeah.
Till buy them a supply, we miss my uncle, and I'm a call back.
Okay.
And Timmy could eat 6 months. Timmy be free and madam for now. Madam for be I mean like when you know social and again I'm so. Me buy me friend, my friend also walk out hospital. I was next hospital. Not okay. Oh, what I been also 2 days ago. I'm okay. Me back. Timmy call on me call share and didn't come on. I'm so okay fine. Any next day me back also you be you know. Until 1 week time or a year, and I'm a friend. I'm so Charlie, ma'am, girl now you also a woman, you know. The person who call na who they be no so okay. The main call for my uncle be. Na me ne man can uncle. Na me call for my uncle na me no call home say.
But na yin send ya wo yin send ya una odi no man nyemo.
Okay ba.
Me pass on.
Ayo, koso e.
Na me call for me fa my uncle na me di normal kakra by pampers ni normal kakra bi.
Oh, okay.
Na me de call ye. Me could do ye na could do and my na me de 1,000 gas. That time na 2009. Na e friend 2009 friend 10 million. Na me de 10 million no man call ye. Master ni say scan so enjo ma me hu akra no.
Enti na girl no ne rented apartment no a e wo danso ma no we tu afi akotra ne ma renchen ana.
Owo ye na okọ ne ma me fi.
Okay.
Me be this scan no we no call no this scan ne ma me say 1,000 Ghana cedis ni fa. Enjo ma me hu akra no.
2009 no.
2009.
Hey, is that 10,000 modo?
Yes, 10,000, 10 million.
1,000 Ghana, okay.
Almost scan so enjo ma me hu akra.
Wo ba no ma ne hu no.
Oso ma me hu akra na ya wo no.
Hey.
Ena kan say man can so me pa ofan so me ma me ne me papa na so anti say me no ma me hu na on the o ma ni hu no. Na what me ka bi a say me papa say oh ma ku hu akra ma me say daddy. Ena me dey me pie na me ofan frɛ girl so. Ona wa ware no. Enti say ndo ma me ka ye na wa say de na ma me ka don't me kan ho he. Ena man can say na sa do ba ji sala say won twa so 1,000 Ghana cedis ni ska bon jama na yenko. Na me tu me ka na me de ye call ye. Na me san call ye. Enti me ko say ma be 2 years.
Hey.
And I remember my friend, me bag and my guy so. So yeah, I'm so me me because almost 1,000 Ghana so me pay 1 billion, 1 billion acquisition. And I'm
me ba cho bebre. Me sro. Emra o kan so onyemo no a wo ja ne ho kwa abrochire no. Na ntokwa ban na wo park ne ma wo kwa abrochire no. Na wo friend no ne bonkomo. Na wo sra no.
Me ko na me friend.
Na adense na wo friend no.
Because now I don't know can say me ya say me ba me fear I any fear into me kasa me bufu na me dem coin.
But say onyem. Ba woni mo bi a onyem wabo ni ku asum da. Onyem a eya na masisi o. Ebitim hwe ni ku no atinte so egum say true. Enti wo ko no how old was the pregnancy and son wo ko e?
Sasa me na friend nya 4 months.
4 months. Enti the 5 months nyina one friend no da. One man is scan continental Niama bebre eduane ko no nyina wan to bia ma.
Ni scan ma me na me amane chop money but be na me ne kasa.
Chale when I create your own problem o.
So the mama kasa me quiet 3 years no na me san ba na me ko hwehwe no. Na what so free be won me no ye juma so wa judgment guy bia woni hu no. Na me ka je so ma ba me passion be se me hu no. And I was say guy ne so be so be hu me. And I'm this man guy so the over man. And I'm call here. Enti all the time me madam for now oni mu no kasa o say girl so ba wa so me friend.
Wo ni na e cat communication over 3 years o.
Enti later na fe na me ne kasa. Enti o say sign the phone no ma so be so ne be kasa bi.
Yeah, me ko kasa na me.
Enti me ba se me share me sa ko share no. And I was say on person be who me new no sign a number.
Okay.
And last month na me buy. Me buy na madam for boy in the catcher and so catcher my ba. And your friend I'm so my me person or friend so my ba I'm so na den na me on person me ka say no friend me. And I say wa ko worry na wa won e ma ni kuro le jai no ti your person who me na now all this one me person me no kasa on person be kasa. And the other thing I kasa I say the one ko worry won to person. And what
say also kwa worry.
Kwa worry no say o mo me hanaji.
Na say mo worry mo hu no na magu no.
Yegu no dey san ko yegu aware no.
Mugu awade no. Oh I see. But did you agree to it? What penny say yengu awade no?
Yeah, me say.
Na say dey na ha o.
So say am problem say. Friend no say ni ma me na ye sa dey no den. And I mean, and I'm so no problem. Sadia, me person or last week, I know me kasa, and I'm no problem. And if she say, me person, fancy, now Sunday, me person me who.
What Ghana?
Me person say Ghana. Me girlfriend be some no afraid. The way I mean, kasa me say, kwani ko su we fa, and the Sadia, me person di bu. Get no su bu fu say. Said this I mean, get ni kasa sa. And you want su bu fu say.
Kwakwe. Jaiwo girl na semansa yen kan wo ba no a wo former wife no na wo yen kan no na sem
sister I'm so okay fine so there me pese me be fa akra no because me wo paper me tinga be fa be banana
akra na di fi ahen
sister akra na nya 7 years
o then
7 years
oh 7 years okay okay
o ka me say me fa akra no ko dia e ka wa boni na ya 50,000 Ghana you say me 50,000 Ghana so na me fa akra
na sana won hwa abofra no
yeah na me say 50,000 Ghana is now all can 50,000 Ghana is all can me better me for fine me na me better me hu me ba on better me hu no na so better me hu
but what we say me pa cho wo
on can asem
ka koso ende
and you see I what mean 50,000 and sign on the fa akra na ko
5,000 Ghana cedis
no that 50 million 500 million
500 million
50,000
yes
wow
and sign on to me the akra na me no what say akra na din because akra na din kra fa akra na din amame
wow someone to akra na din won say sometimes it's so painful oh say be ma be hye wonyin sen na misunderstanding akra ba na oban nya abotre be ma so nya abotre na afo wagya wo ho saa okwa onfrew wakwa aba so won say mo mienu nyina mo nya abotre ma mo ho e na we nyina akwa akosie na I am say wo san adon me bo a
no me pesa akwa na me hu
na ene so ba no so no wo
iba jode
ene se mo no mo ho won say baby amoko share no tie mi o nana ampedu baby o tie bia me chia no waka atekra nya hwe so o credit na asa nya hwe ya listen baby abi share wo do de yesi obi etin share ne do baby e wo na nka mbese bi bisa no say emna obi wakọ share girl wo flight mo ye nyina ye nnafo oh hi na sa ba wutimi enkomo na de ko so ye pa ema wutimi nipa na ma mefa no wunya time e wo arrival ho nipa na ma mefa no ema odi ni ko fie efre nipa sa mefa no nipa no ene den ne auntie or bema or your bar whatever it is ema wasan aba back immediately na wa for so se de kasa otumu so ba na for so no ena awade e be bae afehwe mu nsem wa ho
oba na for so no omo ana kwaji omuni
omudi omo
ana te pare no ana fe omo ye pakusu
ena minya ka bisa senti abrochi so ni yiri wo ho ana well because it says the interest wa kwala ni mu more than the mother
the issue is say a person who neba because from the way he's talking no unim say akwara na di 7 years but say akwara no so ye oba so ye tintin so ye kokko so ye tuntum onim because onim akwara no
and then I don't think say their relationship he was thinking say he wanted it to end up in marriage I am not yin say ne ba ye no and then the family members forced him to marry. That's what he said. Neni be gu asinti worry me. Enti no na
creative problems.
Omo study omo hu ye properly. And I reverend God there one is saying.
Mother Kuma, there's yeah, only there I would suggest to say.
Debbie Chayo, answer me suggest no.
Yeah.
One say yes, the foundation is so bad to the extent, sir.
Yeah.
The mother said, "Me pay wedding." Or no, so fear what dear. And see, you no pen or no, yeah. Because only mobile ye, Ukas or Kabisa. Now, only mobile ye, so you didn't.
Yes.
Only mobile ye, you need to say it.
And Wintina, na me sereno, in a sense, say, I just wish, say, young ones are showy, na sa same way, omuateno, omude ya disunya dear. Wa somebody would the boy be a cheat, and Ramakoro, and now some buku some wakoro, won't worry, you know, wo fa disunya dear be say, so one ya careful. Sa same way be bet me at all. Look at the situation where Nipano Wishiano. Say it is saying. You don't know the person
at all.
You didn't take your time to even observe the family of the person.
Yes.
Say, mamma, say the awoke say womb say enim. If you be was said you musika safa. If you be a woman, no shaya a womb. But if you had taken time to have even gone home to see how the mother does her things, and a who say. My meno na some can say na oh they be where they mean to me and so where they mean to me so I mean you could have quickly saved yourself from all these. Mesaka asem way ya da meka say yentim from ban side enti yenim exactly the truth of the matter.
Yeah.
But then sesana asem first of all wawo yin send mu you didn't own up
at all.
You didn't own up. All under the excuse you say you were angry. But then I take it as a matter of immaturity. Said there will be son say when them so me binyama omutumi bo asotro nyina wo mu. Or ye immature to the extent say he didn't know anything about women. He didn't know anything about pregnancy. And me book in the man's secret. My share that this a portion of the account.
Oh, the account good.
Some member be who ma when you same wo menses near the other. Members yes are no man.
There be.
And I feel ko wura wariam na no maybe sa spring up. Now it's like they are living in Pluto B. You see, and because of immaturity or the buffo one on tears yes sir. A dean tina say obano ebia or acted that way. But ebia nyin same way yaw awokon and a nam small bano at the years adam. Nini name no we only up me a she or san ya kura penny be two no for. Sako show band chira one call or war yadi. Now what's a pushy up?
How
Seriously, bad time be careful about this thing. Nessa mameno, I don't know how the real situation is. But then Nipanaba, what to turn woman diaba. Nanka the minimum say, especially our rainy see nguna. So oyana yere. But no, before that, no. Before that, no. Or wo ye no. Still oyana yere. Ebano yana ba. Even saware no megunumpa. Ebano obano see yana bano kwade. Or every right to be given audience to see the child.
Oh, it's important.
Okay, and to play his role as a father. It is a non so sasana to the end of Nebusiano, a honor ni obano from no, omo ye, sasana to the omo ye. Nini ne chino. Yes, if it's a bibra, Sika Crondia went to me a more. I know yes, Sikadusha. Say, so said, what I was expecting.
He was having 1,000 Ghana cedis.
Yes, he took 1,000 and then he said it wasn't okay. It wasn't enough for them. Whatever the situation would be, no. Say no person, no. Anka fine. Almost a new care, we just can momo. Nimpano abefie no. Then nanka wafe bushia for account. Na makwe question the bushia. Say, as somewhere abeni. What is going on? Yeah, this is by or banner yaba, banon so ye yere. Yes, I mean, this is the situation. What is going on? Nanke busiane busiat nasi. Ne ye who know where the problem is and how to forge the way forward. But then, Akuma, the woman yasa the okay and I'm not quite apart from he himself marrying the woman he didn't know and he didn't love, no. The woman is also in a position of the same shoe that she also got involved with a man she didn't know and she didn't love. It's a way as a way impe, when some pay, we ninja ho, we so ninja ho. So from the onset, they didn't have any foundation, anything to hold on in the marriage or in the relationship. Now, what sense for all these years? And then, what or say then, or they chop money ma the mameno, the ma or bano, as to what tune of amount, and as to whether it's able to cater for the fees, whether on the fees in impo, and how it goes on. These things are your responsibility. Whether when your bano will hold winning in new a banon quande a mrakwanso as a sour channel. And a 1 year now the child is 7 years. Then you come back. Now they're all cannot say. Ono krano, the all can muna mafo, ono krano na enyana dream. Oba Ghana no, and oba no afrano. Sawaba. And ya maware na me ware ya nkwa ma minti me yenhia
me yenhia obesaba be di ni biemo ama nyinsen bontu abo ama se say enye 50,000 Ghana cedis o e beka ko 100,000 Ghana cedis
kuma only the strategy is a girl na feel say the second we say no married to the guy and the other guy no succeeding.
But I'm thinking say any break one say the guy mo de munti here one say sometimes some guys show off there be yes some guys show off. What fee ubabia u fee by say UK or Germany or Denmark you and when your contract you be sign. Oh my husband sign. What about your mappe?
So she no play.
I mean what oh they make no. And the true character of the woman you did not know.
Yeah. They didn't. Of course.
Obetimi anya on say kwa ye ka no. Enye emenye hye say ne board man no. Obetimi atua. But obetimi atua say scale akra no hu ne hu ochina. Because who ni boy here.
Ekuma but we are
and I'm even worried as to whether a young pampers a baby mpo wo ho.
Yeah.
I'm even worried about that.
Reverend, what you are saying is true, but there's one important issue.
Say it.
A bit number say like I say ibo akra no kra. It is anakra no kwabu akono nse guy no ugba nenye guy ne dia okoshi guy no Germany ne bu akwa na wakutua paso
na shoda da
there was a lady of frey but me before me catch guy no pempem for no monko oba no enase na sa sorry o say din no nkopo ba ne chew na moja de eye moja na onhwe kwan a and yes, sir, Okojineba. But Okosheneba, I shall ne banamame. Because Okasa Obejo ba, then Enya Kolana, me or ban, I'm not important. But on share, no show come with me as a term, so let's say TB BiamanOkrana, or page baby man, and so, na brabo, ebesino, ye.
Oh, from what she was saying, no, this is not a woman who is unemployed. This is someone who is working. Who was working in an office.
But what I'm trying to say is, he's working all right. But he says, I want this because of that. At the close of the day, no company chowa. You have to settle something. You cannot just go and take your time because from the way you say, you know, me person me who me ba. Na me me ba ne ko.
And our good from
so Obano, look at it. Obano, the second our no come we nyaba. Then kabako crowd nya bi fi ho baya in commit me the second one kai ati chene re ndi still looking at the thing no one shape no javins no say kwa abono
aya nkona
o dey say yes it no abrochi ni ko take class dey akwa no kokoya but the woman na okote ya ofreye say ni kunu intumi unsatisfy me
yeah
okote baby woman man ya sama ya kasa bebre and that woman wakote no ne go it means he's suffering mesre me be man say e yampa e mema no ebi wo hono ma ye ho bantem ya agro no so ye penintem
asori
mesre me be man say ni mema nyina ye hwe program yi say se bi onye penetration nko a na ye enda oba no ubansa na ubeka say ubekọ ho no fani me di agro because ni fisro ekosi ne nasen eye wodia
me da say Rebecca yeah
said brother came in fa we nka ho say
okay
memma wayare bi most men e wayare bi say we don't accept weakness as far as sex is concerned.
Okay.
yehunu bebre no omo baba no wo beka wo fra be ma na be ma no reluctant to come. But then nansen ya ba ko a mo baaye ne yire na numundura ko hospital akwa nye nti force I had to go to the man's workplace to meet him one on one. And safe me nene tena se church no ma bi mu an safe oje atum se and yes ade me yire ya ye man no edroma ne fire within 2 months me man kwaye test sperm count test okwaye ye no wo hwe sperm potency it was below 20%.
Aish.
And on so feel so we release you ofu se nsuo ba o but onim se ni nyina ye efunu nko an o yi wo
ejuma.
You see enti me kasa be ma no na yire na kasa wo hwe wo yire complain na wo complain hwe ni ye na dachi wan hwe yi a wo ba ma de won pena ato get help me ka asisu bio se be ma bia no yes wo hu sane wa wo te break akra but then so wo te bre no ma ne ye bebre boho to the extent say ye pusu kura mpusu a and there is a problem with your health you need to check that. It is a bema no otie no kunu na otie no and any man who has that problem please get in touch with a gynecologist. Let them check on you. As so we weak abro sokura no we release we abro sokura no so we are very healthier. Within 5 minutes you can be able to erect again and continue. What you say? I mean if this doesn't go on,
Reverend one can say we you or sister in so no more.
Yes, me can the aba say anya kura 5 minutes you should be able to erect again. But then one friend ebia why boho ebia why say na make say about that extent then there is something wrong with your health and you need to check that. Now one shini year send you say in year etimi de nsa say in fact doctor we dey ma me kwan na men kasem ba ma wo hwe nga woni ewu shame. You should bow your head in shame for you to allow your wife to finger herself just to be able to get to ecstasy. My dear, wo ya ha obiba na wankasa dachi so ba ha wo ho the same person dachi wo behunu no na ne yire na akwakofa ba ma bi ama ba ma ne satisfied no wa fra Odo Ahomaso na wo su sa ne yire chiti wo so
after complaints aka
asu ye tu for no on tie o on fa o
we men kan che be ma ne say ade ba ko e fe wo sex mu say wo no area on ka for da na ne ho isane no when ban structure na da na unse nyame abode
wow super
it's beautiful me nua be me bi e hwe yen se wo nim se wo release ntamu a me de me kan se so wo nim se wo release ntamu dia men ko penetrate entam di oba no ho agro na ade te end no oba no ho asane no won so aye den why we
just wait me aye o dia
Osro hospital ana say Osro public issue mesre obetimi a get in touch with me moa bia metimi de aboa no ye dwuma no saa ebetimi aboa ema bibia ofre Dr. Mamazimbia me ye sure say obetimi aboa na yetimi aboa ono be ma no one on one ye beboa no say opekora na ye beboa no within in secrets ye ebi na me say me ko obi office
in secrets
ye koboa no
ye no time bia
we help you all the time intimate and na ho ma afi wo mba da bridwo na afi we ni baba ho so no we yire said your okasa no minim the age there but you see she's a very young lady
she's
you know oware yenche you see and sensene ewura no afi be do bre na
and then me sure so obi biara ani agye if some of us what na wate ahye wo den ebie wa adwen mu emo hu anam a wo so tu ne wo so wuja but let's be careful. Baby, bia wa obeshia wo do, but we shouldn't rush into marriage. We shouldn't run into marriage. We shouldn't run into relationship, and then we thinking we can pin that person down by allowing him or her to sleep with us, and then get pregnant, and then you please go and perform the moral rites, oh, otherwise I'll be disgraced, oh. I feel question money near ba. Na subantan bi na deity, and then some of the men also come from outside Germany, where so they just want to come and make babies here and go. And I heard your baby. I am so grateful that that you welcome us in your homes, your internet. My cameraman is just super.